Hello, Bexar County. I'm Javier Salazar, your Bexar County Sheriff.
And I'm your District Attorney, Joe Gonzalez.
Over the course of the last week, much has been said in local media about new laws and local policies affecting possession of marijuana cases in our county. While it is true that possession of marijuana is considered a low-level crime locally, and new state laws have made prosecution somewhat challenging, it must be said that it is still illegal to possess marijuana in Bexar County.
That's correct, Sheriff. Because of the hemp law signed by the governor, prosecutors across the state will now have to prove the THC concentration of marijuana in court. This requires laboratory testing and analysis. Presently, Bexar County, like most counties in Texas, does not have that capability. What this means is that the District Attorney's Office cannot accept misdemeanor marijuana cases that are 0 to 4 ounces without an accompanying lab result. While my office will exercise the discretion to accept any such case, this does not affect law enforcement's ability to conduct a search, seizure, and arrest based on probable cause. Law enforcement is free to make an arrest for any other violations of the law during a citizen encounter.
And keep in mind that although a full successful prosecution of misdemeanor possession of marijuana has its challenges, there are several things to consider. First responders on the street can and will still have the ability to consider evidence of marijuana possession in conducting probable cause searches and arrests. Remember, signs of marijuana usage can still affect someone negatively in regards to probation or parole, as well as employment screening for drug use. Let's also not forget that driving under the influence of any drug is always illegal.
Well, that's right. In short, it is still against the law to possess marijuana. It would be a mistake to challenge the police by putting yourself in a position to be arrested for marijuana possession immediately or at a later date. And for those of you who are given the opportunity to participate in the Cite and Release program and fail to comply with your obligations, you may find yourselves arrested and prosecuted for the original possession of marijuana charge if the required lab analysis becomes available.
Please keep in mind that although charges might not be prosecuted immediately, there is a 2-year statute of limitations during which charges may be filed at any time.
But most importantly, the sheriff and I would like to encourage everyone to please just say no to drugs.
You're absolutely right, Joe. Thank you all for your time, and we'll see you around Bexar County.